In this practice, use the Balmer series formula to derive the E equal HCR times 1 over 2 square minus 1 over m squares. So Balmer series. Express 1 over lambda equal capital R 1 minus n squares minus 1 over n squares. This is the Balmer series. The energy can be obtained h Planck constant times f is frequency. And then you can use c equal f lambdas. So if you use lambdas instead of the frequencies, you can express hc over lambdas. Then you can use the expression for the Balmer series. Here, then HCR times 1 over minus 1 over n squares. So this is the answer to this practice.